Hello friends, myself Swati Vikram from Mumbai. I am 46 years old and stand by 5 feet. Marathi, Hindi and English I can work in 3 languages. My work experience is Hindi web series Tali produced by Sushmita Sen. Hindi web series Goats Goats with Jacqueline Fernandez which is upcoming in September month. Hindi serials ना उम्र की सीमा हो, डॉक्टर बी आर आंबेडकर, माती से बनली डोल. मराठी सिरियल्स नकळत सारी घडली, प्रेमा तुझा रंग कसा, ज्ञानेश्वर माऊली, आशीर्वाद तुझा एकवीर आई, घरचा महाराष्ट्र, तुला शिकवीन चांगलाच धडा, साधी माणसं. 6 Marathi short films and 1 English short film. Also work in ad shoots and film mutual fund ad and Magic Wing gaming app ad. 2 album songs in Marathis. Now I want to work with you. These are my side profiles. Thank you.